that. Yeah, you got the frame outside of the frame rails all painted up. You got the inside cleaned up. It's still a little bit rusty, but I'm gonna paint those up too. Paint the top of the frame rails. Nice. This thing's coming along pretty quick. They'll probably have the deck on later today. I'm just on my way up to the farm. Gotta meet Pierre and Melissa up there, and we're gonna get started doing field work. All right, I just got out to the farm, hooked up to the spreader. Now I gotta take it back. And I can't use the exact same route that I came down the first time because I had Dad's truck. And the road I came down was restricted, and because I have a dually and I'm over 10,000 GVW, I can't go down that road. Not until the road restrictions come off anyway. It's restricted to 65%, so I can't even take my dually empty. Kind of sucks, but not a whole lot I could do about it, and it's not worth the ticket. Anyways, I'm going to take this thing back and I'm going to head back up to the farm, and I'll meet those guys when they get here today. Okay, so back out at the farm. I got Pierre and Melissa all organized on what they're going to do. Pierre is just taking the mowers out to the field. We're going to start trimming. Him for now because he's taking it easy on the road. Get Melissa all hooked up to the land roller, and she can start packing the field. As soon as Pierre gets out to the field, we're going to readjust the height of the mowers. We mowed everything once at one height, so now we're going to drop the mowers down just a little bit, and we're going to mow everything again. That way we get the nice green grass to pop quick, because now we're getting a little bit warmer temperature. It's not extremely warm today. It's only going to go up to, I think, 12 degrees. But that's better than 5 and under. So stuff's still going to grow a little bit. But the key is to get all the brown off the top. That way the grass is greener quicker. We fertilized everything, so everything's going to have a nice healthy boost. And yeah, hopefully in a couple weeks, maybe sooner, depending on the weather, we might be able to harvest. So that would be good. I'm not going to argue if we start a little bit sooner, but more than likely we're going to get started May long weekend. That's our usual start date. But it's farming. It's all weather dependent. So this is no good. I got it backed up all the way onto the field, and it goes just about right to the other ditch where that line of trees is. Oh. much as I appreciate the moisture in the field, I don't need it to drown. So last time when Dad put this on, he got a little overexcited and attached a chain from here to right here, which in theory would have worked, except this isn't very strong. Oh well, one more thing to do. I have to attach the chain a lot lower on here where it's stronger, and basically all I'm going to do is I'm just going to push it straight across. I'm not going to try to dig. Dad tried to dig and push up, and I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to poke a hole in it just to get the water off the field. So first day of work on the field went very well. No breakdowns, no problems whatsoever. Pierre got lots of mowing done, Melissa got lots of packing done, and I got a bunch of mulching done. So I just got back to the shop here. I wanted to take a look because Dad apparently got the flat deck on the new truck. So let's see. Have a look. Oh, well, it's a bit of a mess right now. That's cool. So it's a little bit short. The wheelbase is quite a bit longer on this truck than any of the other trucks that we have, and we're obviously going to have to lift it up a little bit, I think, or that's just how it sits until there's air in the bags. So Dad was saying we have to add, he's going to add about 16 inches off the back of the deck. So I think he said 16, sit about there, just so the forklift can fit on there properly. Looks pretty good. Nice. That'll work great for making small deliveries around town, and a lot easier than bringing out a big 53-foot trailer or a set of trains through the smaller developments in town. So that'll work nicely. The keys. Yep, got my keys. So that's what Dad's been up to. Still manages to get a bunch of stuff done even when me and Ezra aren't here. Of course, Ezra might have been here helping him, I'm not sure. But I'm gonna head over to Mom and Dad's right now. I'm gonna grab Eli because he's been there since yesterday. So I'll bring him home tonight. And yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna end the video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. God bless.